welcome back. Today we're gonna do the watermelon challenge. Now, Minus does love watermelon. Today we're gonna give him a slice, and we're actually gonna have him compete against his sister Molly. Now, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind when you're doing this challenge. You wanna make sure that if your watermelon does have seeds, just take out the seeds beforehand and ensure that the dogs also don't eat the rind. Molly, can you say hi? You guys ready? Wait. Ready, set, go. Who won, you guys? Molly, you want more, huh? Can you say goodbye? Can you tell everyone that you'll see him next time? Good boy. Good job.